This morning we got antsy for fishing and we're calling it the official start of spring, and we're pulling out the boat from the one garage and we're going to put it into the shop to prepare it. Well, we got the boat moved into the shop. You don't realize how small the garage is until you get the boat in there. Almost be nicer to have a bigger garage, but we'll make do. Anyway, we'll let it warm up here and we're just gonna slowly get it ready to go do some fishing. We have to connect everything into the boat and hook the batteries up. With the motors, I think the only thing we have to do is we have the muffs here, so basically once it warms up just a little bit more, we'll just run them outside for a minute or two and just check the oil levels, seeing we change oil in the engines. Well, this one's at 100. Didn't take very long to charge that up. So we'll throw that onto one of the trolling motor batteries next. And like we said, we had these stored inside in a heated garage all year, and we charge them over the winter time. So we're just doing this to bring them up to peak. So I guess what we could do is, I mean, we could leave it, and I mean it's tied, but we'll fix it, and we'll keep this strap or something else. Not sure why they gave it so much, but okay. Let's get it.
Looks like the strap's connected, it has a bolt through it, so we're just going to have to take the bolt off and insert the new winch strap.
Okay, we got the old strap off. We'll get the new one here. This is our side cutters here. And we'll just kind of unwind it. Get the old one out. somewhere here.
Yeah, so the same thing as the old one. The bolt just goes through the end of the strap.
I guess actually we gotta do that first. Just feed the bolt through the strap. And put the nut on the end. And we'll just tighten that down.
Yeah, you can hold it there and I'll tighten it.
Okay. What we found out in the last little while is it makes it difficult doing simple mechanical chores, trying to hold a camera and record at the same time. So. And it takes almost twice as long too. Okay, now we'll just winch the new strap back onto the spool here.
Yeah, you just want to make sure you put a little bit of tension on it when you're doing this. Just hold it with your hand.
Snap it back onto the front of the boat. And there we go. Just the big thing is not to get it too tight. The project's complete. And what we'll do is, I hate like heck to get rid of stuff. So I mean, the majority of the strap is still good. So what we'll do is we'll just wind that up, and I have a toolbox in the back of the truck. We'll just throw that in the back in case we ever need it for something. It always comes in handy. We're going to continue our maintenance. So we have our motor guide trolling motor that we have on the boat. We don't use it very often, but we're just going to do some precautionary maintenance. And we took the battery out of the controller in the fall time. And like I say, this was all kept in a heated garage, so we're just going to put a new battery into it. So it takes one AAA battery, so we find Energizer works the best, so we'll throw that in. Well, I think that just about wraps up the prep for the boat. We've charged all the batteries, they've been installed. We changed the battery in the remote for the trolling motor. Tested that out, it works. All the tires been checked for pressure. Re-greased all the wheel bearings. Fish finder and other electronics have been reinstalled. And all the fluids and levels have been checked in our motor. So this is a 2020 Merc. It's a 90 with the command thrust. We're very pleased with that. In addition, we also have a 4-horse Tohatsu that we have with just a bar that we connect to the main motor for steering. On the boat and the motors, once we get out onto the water, the boat's a 2019 Legend F17. It's a 2020 Tohatsu and a 2020 Merc. So we're very pleased with with our package here so far. So I think the only thing left to do is to pack up some of the fishing gear that goes into the boat, as well as some of our life-saving gear that we carry with us and our survival gear. We'll do a further video on that. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.